In this video, I'm going to show you how to stretch an image in Canva. First, add an image to a design. You can do it by choosing an image from the Elements tab or upload your own file from your computer. For this tutorial, I'm going to use this image. So normally, if you click an image and drag the corner handles, Canva will keep the photo in proportion so it won't stretch. To break this rule, double-click the image. This will put you into crop mode, and you will see the full boundaries of your photo. Now hover over your mouse over one of the side edges and wait until the cursor turns into a double arrow icon. After that, just simply press and hold Shift on your keyboard and drag the edge handle outward. The photo will automatically stretch on that single side. To show the whole stretch image, make sure to drag the outer crop corners to match your new photo size. Let's do the same thing to the other side. Hover over your mouse here. Wait until the cursor turns into double arrow icon, press and hold Shift key on your keyboard, and drag the edge handle outward. Also, don't forget to drag the outer crop corner. So that's how to stretch an image in Canva. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.